This one simple formula that helped my Areca palm grow 2 times faster. Stick around because what I'm about to show you might just save your plant also. Here is something shocking about Areca palms. They're magnets of pests, especially mealybugs and whiteflies. But why? You see, Areca palms are tropical plants that crave humidity, which is more than 50%. When humidity drops, especially during winter, their beautiful feathery leaves start losing moisture fast. This stresses the plant, and the plant becomes susceptible to pest infestation as this Areca palm. Now, you might be thinking, just spray some pesticides and get rid of the pests within a week, right? Here is the problem with that approach. Sure, pesticides will kill the visible pests for maybe a few weeks, but here is what they don't tell you. The spores remain hidden in the plant tissue, waiting to come back. Plus, you are left with these tired, old, infested leaves that make your plant look terrible. So here's where my simple formula comes in. Although the leaves are infested with pests, and it is also pushing out brand new leaves, so I'm going to prune the old infested leaves using sharp, clean pruning shears. Here is where it gets really interesting. This isn't just about removing pests. This is about unlocking your plant's hidden potential through 3 powerful mechanisms. Number 1. When you remove those old tired brown leaves, you are freeing up the plant's energy. Instead of wasting resources, all that energy gets redirected to forming gorgeous new leaves. Number 2. New leaves are photosynthesis powerhouse. They are more efficient at converting light into growth energy. More photosynthesis equals faster growth. Number 3. By removing the infested leaves, you are eliminating the pests and their spores. No chemicals needed, just natural pest management. After pruning, you can feed the plant with compost, as well as keep the soil between dry and moist, and ensure bright indirect light. Now, here is what you can expect. Week 1 to 2, your plant might look a bit sparse, but don't worry, it's gathering strength. Week 4 to 8, you will start seeing shoots emerging. These will be bright green and pest-free. And after 3 months, your Areca palm will be back to its full bushy glory, but this time with clean, healthy, vibrant leaves that grow twice as faster as before. So there you have it, my simple formula that helped my Areca palm grow 2 times faster, naturally, without harsh chemicals. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Also support this channel by subscribing. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one. Take care.